Okay, this video tutorial is to show you how to filter your messages inside of the Yahoo email system. So after you log in, you just check this right here. We're in the inbox. So this is our main mail folder. And then we're going to scroll down here. And as we see here, there's a message in the spam folder. So I'm just going to click on that. And I'm going to open the message because it says confirm your request for information. And first thing I can do is mark it not as spam. And then go back, and I see it here in the inbox. So I'll go back to it and then I confirm the link there. And it brings me to that page here. Pause that. And that is it.